Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Both of you must have Google accounts and the Photos app up to date. Open Google Photos, tap Library, then Utilities, and select Partner Sharing to start. Choose the partner's email address and decide whether to share your entire library or only photos of specific people. Do this now so the sharing link is created. Once set, your partner will receive an invite they must accept to view shared content. Once your partner accepts, configure the details to control what syncs. Select whether to share all photos, only photos of chosen faces, or photos from a specific date forward. This limits what appears in their feed. Make sure to toggle the option that lets your partner's shared photos automatically add into your library if you want two-way sharing. Then review permissions so you both know who can save or edit. These settings determine privacy and storage behavior, so adjust them carefully. Finish by sending the invite and confirming your partner accepts it on their device. Once accepted, open Library and tap Shared Libraries to confirm syncing. If everything is configured correctly, photos matching your selection will start appearing. Make sure both phones have stable internet and enough storage to sync. If syncing fails, recheck that both accounts are signed into Photos, update the app, verify face group selections, and resend the invite if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.